absolutely good. So point is, then only people will like it. There are two ways people will share it. Why? See how crap content this is. He'll show it to his another friend, right? See, I'll show you some worst thing I have seen on YouTube. See, this is how they are making. So what is it? They are spreading it. Why? Because it is so bad. But still they are spreading it. Or else, if it is extremely good, then they'll share it. Correct? So you need to figure out in which area you want to possibly create content. So that is it. I think couple of facts I'll just share with you. In OTT, there are a couple of categories. One is SVOD, then another is AVOD, and there is one more which is called as TVOD. Now, what is SVOD? That's subscription supported video on demand. That is what YouTube is working on, correct? There are other platforms also which are working on that. Then there is AVOD. What is AVOD? YouTube is AVOD, which is ad supported video on demand. What is subscription? Netflix is subscription, right? And then TVOD is transactional supported video on demand. I think Netflix started as you can rent a movie and all, right? Earlier, that's how Netflix started. But there is only one video platform, which is Vudu, owned by Walmart, which is existing right now, which works on. But other than that, all work on either subscription based or ad supported based. Then why is there a data boom today? Any idea? Why is there data boom, or what are the factors which are supporting data boom? Of course, internet accessibility is a very common thing which should come in your mind. Why is there a data boom? Because people can watch. Simple. Earlier, I think 10 years back, internet was not that easy to get, right? There were difficulties. But today you have a good bandwidth on your phone itself. So of course there is a factor of device, you all have smartphones, then there is a factor of internet, everybody can access data quickly, and then there is a requirement for people to advertise. That is where money is coming from. Who's actually putting in money on YouTube? If people are making money from YouTube, who's putting in money? Who's giving them money? Advertisers. Colgate company or maybe any other company. They want to do they want to reach the viewers. So digital platform becomes a easiest way to approach to the customers. Earlier it was just what? Newspaper, television, but that was very expensive. But now these are the ways where you can, digital advertisements have actually brought the cost down. That is why the entire money is actually coming from the advertisers, right? Otherwise, if your content is very good, something like Netflix, where they're looking for a subscription, it might be a possibility a film is being released all across. You can go on Netflix, a film is released. You can go on, possibly on YouTube, a film is releasing. In your movie halls, the same movie is releasing. Or else it could be Hotstar, the same movie is releasing. There is a good possibility of that kind of thing happening. Why should you go out from your home to watch a movie? You can sit in your home and watch a movie. Why not? You have internet. You're paying same, what, 200, 300 bucks to watch a movie? They will give it to you on the same price. Sit in your home. They might give you for at least 2 days. That'll be better. And then what happens to the infrastructure? They are not spending anything. It is just the digital, whatever, beaming or internet, which is required. You can just sit in your home and you can enjoy. And you already know Netflix is anyway putting in a lot of money. They are creating films. I know there was what was the name of the film in which a lot of big cast has been used. They are actually investing very heavily in the movies. So that is of course there. Then I just want to ask, like, who are the biggest players of internet in India? Any idea? Who are the biggest players of internet in India? Internet players. I mean, I'm not talking about cricket players. I'm talking about people who are giving internet services. Jio is the biggest. Okay, which owns like 44% of the market. Airtel is around 20%. Vodafone is 14. Then of course later on your BSNL and all that. Then which are the biggest countries in which data or internet is being used? First is China, then it is India, and then it is US. So you are sitting in one of the best country. If you want to create digital content, you should do it. And other than that, last request, if anybody who has not subscribed, please do the subscription. My team is working really hard to create that good content for all of you, all right? I think I am done with this. Any question anybody has? Any question anybody has? Or anyway, I am available in, I mean, you can anytime catch me, so that's not a problem. Okay, thank you so much.
Hello. It's time to showcase the hard work of all the students through movie screening for 3D and DFM live action. Can we have a huge round of applause, please?
Cuddle, come together.
Hmm?